I'm loving the rain. I'm loving the rain. When I think about the rain, I play, or when it rains, I play Samurai Jack, The Tale of, I think it's X9. Lulu, sweet thing. But my first rain memory is Bambi, the animated Disney movie Bambi, and then the part where it's like drip, drop, drip, drop. Drip, drip, drop, when the sky is falling. Oh, no, 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 no. Drip, drip, drop, when the sky is falling. So that was my jam. What else I play? I play Samurai Jack. I like playing the beginning of the Batman when it rains. Ooh, I like playing the Samurai Jack episode with the Samurai. With David Allen Greer did the voice, and then I think they got Keegan Michael Key, which was cool. But I was like, dang, David Allen Greer is dope. He killed it. Why not get him again? Yeah, I mean, I get it. Keegan Michael Key can do it, and he might be like a name, like a newer name, but David Allen Greer is underrated. David Allen Greer is dope. He's really good. Hear that ASMR, that natural ASMR. I seen a thumbnail. I didn't watch the video. I saw a thumbnail that said that there was a time on Earth where it rained for 2 million years. Well, I didn't watch the video, so I don't know if it was straight. I don't know if it was on and off. But I'm like, dang. I can look it up. But it's like, I wonder if seasons were longer or something. Because I feel like for something like that to happen now would be wild. But then also, you know, I've only been on the earth for 35 years. That's nothing compared to the billions and billions. Cozy weather. Oh no. Y'all want to know how to do my hair? I just I stick my finger in the socket. And you usually get it like this, like in split second, quick. Nah. I pick it. It takes hard work. Labor.